I'm so excited about this Kristen Ess Rose Gold Temporary Hair Tint. If you're curious about it too, then keep watching because I'm going to take you step by step through the entire process, and then that way you can know if you want to do it too. So I've never done this before. We're about to see it together, and I'm also going to show you how it looks when I style it. That way you'll know, the real deal, like exactly what it looks like. So I picked this up at Target for $12 for this. It smells so good. It smells like a really high-end like shampoo or conditioner. It says it's for pre-lightened or highlighted blonde hair, temporary toning, instant blush color, and shower application. So what this is basically like a watercolor for your hair. You put it on after you shampoo your hair, and depending on how intense you want this, you can squeeze some of the water out and kind of towel dry it if you want it really like pink. If you just want like a light rose gold wash, you spray this on while your hair is still pretty soaking wet. So I think that's kind of what I'm gonna do. I might towel dry it like a little bit, but I don't want like a hot pink head of hair, which I don't know what it's going to do. It says to test it out on a strand first, but we ain't doing all that. I'm about to try it for the first time in the shower. I'm doing my whole head, and it says it only lasts the weekend. So it's Friday. I ain't got nothing to do. Why not just dye my hair rose gold? But I hope that it only lasts the weekend because I have to go back to work on Monday, and we are not allowed to have like any crazy color of hair at all. And I ain't trying to get fired. So we'll see how it goes. Stick around and follow me. Also, here's what I'll do. I am not going to look at it until I get back on camera. So I'll do my hair, I'll wrap it up in a towel, and then I'll do the big reveal when I get back. So sit tight, say a little prayer, need prayers going up, and I'll be right back. Bye. Okay, so I got out of the shower and I have not looked at my hair at all. All I saw was the ends, like when I was washing it, and I can see this little spot right here. But I haven't looked, and you'll know that I have not took off the towel because look, you can see, well, I don't know if you can see it, but there's makeup on the edge right there where I had to like touch up my makeup really quick because yes, I did keep this makeup on the whole time I was in the shower. So I got in the shower, shampooed my hair, and I did not towel dry it at all. I just squeezed as much water as I could out of it because I wanted it to be even. When I sprayed the little sprayer, it was almost like a fine mist. I thought it would be a more even application if I just kind of kept some water in there. And then, so after I sprayed it all in, I sprayed it over everything. Oh, my towel's falling off. After I sprayed it in, I got a comb and I combed it through. And I feel like I might have left it on a little bit longer than 3 minutes after all that was said and done. But yeah, it was really easy. My shower's just pretty much, the towel is covered in pink hair color now, but I'll take some Talex mold and mildew to it and it'll be fine. But yeah, my entire shower's pink, but that's alright. I'm trying to think of anything else. Oh yeah, it's not like a hair color that you normally do where it has like that chemically smell and it's like really harsh on your hair. It wasn't like that at all. I think it's literally just like a wash of color. It doesn't damage your hair in any way that I can tell at all. So, so far so good. I'm ready to see it though. You have no idea how hard it was not to look. So I'm about to reveal. Oh my gosh. Okay. I do have a little mirror over here to the side below the camera, and that's what I'm going to be looking in since I haven't seen it. So here we go. Oh, whoa. Dang. Man, that's crazy. It's like a real rosy gold. I was expecting like almost like a cotton candy pink or something, which this part kind of is really pink, but it's like really rosy. Oh my gosh. Let me scoot back. Can you see it? Okay, I love it so far. I cannot wait to fix it. Let me dry it. Should I curl it? Should I do it straight? Give me just a minute and I'll be right back. And oh, it's gonna be so fun. Okay, be right back. Okay, so this is the end result, and I have to say I really like it a lot. I don't know if I would ever have my hair this color all the time, but just, you know, for a couple of days, yeah, I definitely am feeling this. It's not really too patchy. You can see up here it's way more pink than like back here. And I think that's because when I lighten my hair, these strands always get a little bit more bleach put on them. So I guess they're a little bit more porous. But yeah, this is the end result. I love it so much. And I'm really glad I did it. So I'll see y'all next time. And if you want to know how I curled my hair like this, I do have another video for that you can look at. Alright, well, I'll see y'all later.